why this reading is for you. We are going to see your partner's energy towards you. This is for next 72 hours for all signs. So whoever is watching this reading, there's a message for you. Let's see. Please think about your person. So for next 72, they are going to feel that this is a fated connection and they were destined to meet you. If you guys are not talking at this time, they are thinking about you a lot and they want to take care of you. It's like they are realizing this connection and your value. Let's see. For some of you, I'm getting, if you are doubting this connection, this person, universe is telling you this is a fated connection, but things may move very slow between you guys. So this person want to take it slow, but don't doubt them. Don't doubt the universe and have faith. This is the message I'm getting for you. Let's see. Number 7 could be important for some of you. Yes, fated connection with soul agreement. I really feel this is your soulmate and you are destined to be with this person. If you guys are together, but there are some issues. They are saying they are trying to figure out how can they make this work with you. So definitely they see you as their partner. They see you as their destiny. So don't doubt them and don't doubt this connection. But yes, they could be taking it slow and they need some time. I'm also picking up here, if things are moving very slow, you could be getting restless or you could be doubting, but I feel you need to understand that this is your soulmate, and if you're having some tough time at this time, this is your karma. Okay, they are thinking about you. They are thinking about the good time. For some of you, I'm getting this is your past life soulmate, and for others of you, you could have connected with this person since your childhood. See, this card came up again. I will take care of you. So definitely they will take care of you. And one more. Wow, we got 2 messages. So they are busy right now. That's why they are taking it slow. For some of you, I'm getting situation is not moving forward at all. They are busy, they have other responsibilities, but behind the scenes they are working on it. They are trying to figure out how can you make this work. For some of you, it could be a long distance relationship. For others of you, their business, career, family could be an issue. Universe supports our love. See, definitely they are going to think you are their destiny and you guys are meant to be together. They will definitely take some action about whatever issues you guys have right now. I'm also getting here that they could be scared of rejection, or you could be feeling they are going to reject you. They are not interested in you. You could be seeing this as a missed opportunity. But I definitely feel they are stuck somewhere. Also, I'm picking up here, for any reason, if they were not able to trust you or trust this connection, trust their destiny, now their mindset is changing and this is universe that is making it happen for you. Okay, I'm getting some kind of change in this situation. Number 5 could be important for some of you. Just one card, please. Someone here could be seeing 444. Speaking their mind. So definitely they are going to speak their mind, and if they were not talking to you at all, if they were not expressing their emotions, I feel now they have understood that they have to speak up. I also feel if they were not giving you clarity in the past, that's because they were not having clear intentions or clear mind, but now they got the clarity that you are their destiny, and now they are going to give you clarity about this relationship, this connection, their feelings for you. But yes, you could have waited a lot. Still, I'm getting they will take it slow. This person could be having strong earth energy in their chart. Could be somebody who is very responsible and a little bit materialistic as well. Reunion, union, this is your soulmate. See, this is the confirmation, this is the beautiful reading. I really feel for next 72 hours they are going to speak their mind. There will be a union, and yes, this is your soulmate. This will be a successful relationship. And see, destiny is at play, divine timing. So divine timing, that means you have your own karma. Timeline will be different for all of you, but trust this outcome. Planting a new seed with your soulmate, this is your future spouse. For some of you, this could be a new energy. Maybe you have met them on internet. For others of you, somebody who was not giving you proper time, they are coming towards you. But for 50% of you, this could be the new energy, and they are going to take it very slow, but you are destined to be with this person. Okay? Feeling ashamed, anxious, scared, and don't know what they want at this time. So if this is somebody you already know from the past, I feel they are ashamed. They could not make a decision in the past. They were scared, they were anxious, they were unclear. They were also scared of a heartbreak, they were scared of a rejection. Maybe something happened in their past and that was the reason. But they could not make a decision. That's what I'm getting here for you. But right now they have clarity, which is why they want to come towards you. And they are also going to apologize. Okay? For others of you, if this is a new energy, I feel they are going to take it slow. But they will soon realize that they need to be very clear about it. Yes. No matter if this is a past energy or new energy, they were having issue in commitment and they are ashamed about it. They are also going to apologize. Okay, so maybe they could not make a decision, they could not commit because of their family problems. But now they want to give this relationship another chance. This is the beautiful reading. Messages are very clear. Wow. You are my world. Indeed, they think about you a lot. You are their world, and again, I'm getting long distance relationship. Could be an internet connection. So they wanted to take a break to think about it. I want to know what will they say to you. I'm also getting a new cycle between you guys, a brand new chapter. Wow. You feel like home, I will call you. That's what they are going to say to you. So if they were not talking to you, I feel they are going to text you and they will tell you that they will call you soon. You feel like home. They can even call you that they want to meet you. Okay? They feel very comfortable with you because you understand them so well. I'm also getting some kind of change here. Type 555 in the comment section to claim this energy. This is a wonderful reading collective. And this is a sign for me. It's like people are celebrating outside. So celebration is coming your way in this connection. You have my heart. Wow. So whatever they did, wherever they went, you have their heart. I would just hurt you more at this time. It's better if you stay away for now. See, they were having family problems and they were not ready to fight for you. But now they think you're worth fighting for. I'm sorry, but I have to keep it real. I feel they did not fight for this connection. They gave up, but they could not forget about you. And now they are guilty, they are restless, and it bothers me to see you happy without me and moving on. So now they think you are moving on. Suddenly they are realizing your value, and this is the God, universe, who is making them realize, see, I told you, I wanna see you. On call, they will even ask you to meet them. Let's take one more message from them. That's it. What will they say to collective? People who are watching this reading, give me just one message, Spirit. What will they say? Okay. Wow. They are going to be vulnerable and they are going to say it, or they will express it in some other way, but you are going to see it. It's not over. Wow. I just wanted to take one card, but we got three. Divine Masculine. So this is your Divine Masculine, Divine counterpart. Irrespective of the gender, I feel they are ready now. They are ready to take a responsibility. They are ready to take accountability of their actions, and they are ready to come towards you. They are ready to settle down. They are ready to have a control of the situation and take charge. This is going to be a heaven for you, this relationship. The garden paradise, I really feel they want to take care of you. And number 8, number 48, and number 46. These numbers could be important for you. The power to give and receive healing. Healing is coming in this connection. I'm also getting you need to heal if you haven't, because they're coming towards you. So try not to talk about the past, or simply move on. Achievement and telepathy. You have a telepathic connection with this person. I see the communication and effort plus intention. Achievement. You're going to achieve what you wanted once. Okay? Yes. Obstacles are going to be removed. I'm also getting you are fearless, and somewhere you kept your faith, which is why this is happening for you. Okay? So, amazing messages. I really hope this reading helped. Type 555 and 777 in the comment section to claim this wonderful reading. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.